Let's calculate how much you'll earn from a certificate of deposit, or CD, using the simple interest formula. We have a $1,000 CD earning 4.0% annual interest over 1 year. To find out how much interest we'll earn, we'll use the simple interest formula. The formula states that interest equals principal times rate times time, or I equals P RT. Let's identify our variables. Principal is $1,000, rate is 4% or 0.04, and time is 1 year. Let's visualize what happens to your money over the year. You deposit $1,000 in the bank, and over 1 year, it grows by earning interest. Now, let's plug our values into the formula and calculate the interest. Interest equals $1,000 times 0.04 times 1 year. This gives us $40 in interest. To find the total amount you'll have after 1 year, we add the principal and interest together. $1,000 plus $40 gives us a final amount of $1,040. That's your original investment plus your earnings. So after 1 year, your certificate of deposit will earn you $40 in interest, growing your initial $1,000 investment to $1,040.